How to connect Claude with Canva. Want to connect Claude with Canva? Let's set it up step by step. So go ahead and open up Claude AI on your browser. Hover your mouse at the bottom left of your screen, select Settings, and then from here head over into the Connectors tab. On the Connectors tab, click on Browse Connectors, and this will pop on your screen. Use the search bar and look for Canva. Now on the results, click on Canva and then click on this Connect button. Sign in with your Canva account and grant Claude permission to access your workspace. Now you can go ahead and generate design on Claude, and Claude will generate the design on Canva. So you can export designs as images, PDFs, or presentations, or share them directly from Canva. And that is how to connect Claude with Canva.